Hi there. Have you ever wondered why cat owners seem happier and healthier? It's not just a coincidence. Our furry friends actually have the power to improve our physical and mental health. Want to know how cats help us get sick less often and feel better overall? Stick around and watch this video till the end. Cats are amazing stress relievers. Their purring, at a frequency of 20 to 140 Hz, can reduce stress, calm the nervous system, and even improve sleep. Studies suggest it may also help heal muscles and bones. Ever noticed how being near your cat makes everything feel a little better? They just have that magic. Now, let's talk about your heart. Spending time with a cat can lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Research shows that cat owners are less likely to suffer from heart attacks. It's no wonder just a few minutes of playing with or simply sitting near your cat can slow down your heart rate and promote calmness. Cats are great for your mind too. They fight loneliness, lift your mood, and even reduce depression. Petting a cat releases oxytocin, the happiness hormone. It often feels like they understand us, showing up when we need them most to offer silent comfort. Now, here's a surprising scientific fact. Having a cat around can actually strengthen your immune system. How? Cats bring small amounts of microbes into the home, which help your body adapt and become stronger. It's like training your immune system to handle minor threats, which lowers the chance of catching things like colds. Fun fact, cats can sense where you're hurting and will often lay on that spot. It's not magic, it's their highly sensitive perception at work. So, if your cat loves sitting on your chest or stomach, they might just be trying to help you heal. In short, cats make us healthier and happier. They reduce stress, improve heart health, support mental well-being, and even boost our immune system. No wonder cat owners often feel so great. How does your cat help you? Share in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to catch more videos. See you next time.